Hi, this is Adam Bomb 98, and it was brought to my attention in my last video about my knife collection that I left out my Swiss Army knives. So this is just going to be a quick video of me showing you my Swiss Army knife collection. Here it is. Starting from the top, I have a few Wingers, mostly Victorinox. I'm not sure of the individual models. That's a Pioneer, a Farmer, and a Cadet, I think. And then at the top, we have a bunch of classics. And then a Victorinox Swiss card. And then a one-handed Trekker, I think. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to include my Victorinox knives with my other knives in my collection. Thanks for watching, and this is Adam Bomb 98.